Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my Eid makeup tutorial. This is focused basically on the eyes. So to achieve this, please keep watching. To start off, I have already done my base. I have applied my primer, my foundation, concealer and contouring. I have done my eyebrows as well, and to prime my lids I'm using the Estee Lauder concealer and applying that all over my lids just to make sure I erase any kind of darkness, and also this will make sure my eyeshadows are popping. To start off, I'm using this light brown color shade. You can use any palette that you have which has this brown color shade. Not necessary you need to use the same palette as I am using. So use this shade and apply it on the outer corners and slightly onto the crease. Using the little dark brown shade, I'm applying this only towards the outer corner and making sure I am blending it well with a clean blending brush afterwards. Now using a reddish shade from the palette, I am going to apply this on the outer corner, kind of deepening that outer corner with this shade. And then after that I will again use the clean blending brush and blend all the colors together. Now I am using those same shades and applying that on my lower lash line and kind of smoking them out. I'll be using all the three shades that I've used on my eyelid, on my crease, on my outer corners, and I'm going to blend that out. Now using this bone color shade from the palette, I will be applying this onto my eyelid wherever there is no eyeshadow applied yet. Now using my L'Oreal eye liquid liner, pen liquid liner, I am going to be creating a wing, not a very dramatic one but slightly a medium wing, just to give it a more a little dramatic look. And using my Lakme Absolute Kohl pencil, I'll be applying this on my lower waterline, and using the smudger behind this kohl, I'm going to smudge the kajal that I've applied. Using any black shade, I will take that on a pencil brush and I will smudge that wherever I have applied the kajal. This will give you a smoky lower lash. And using my Volume Million lashes from L'Oreal, I'm going to apply generous coats of mascara onto my upper and lower lashes. This is the close-up of how the eye shadow and the eye makeup looks like. It's very easy, it's very simple. Now completing my face, I'm using the MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter and applying that on the highest points of my cheek, and I will apply that onto my forehead, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and chin. Makeup Revolution blush palette. I'm using the light pink shade from this and applying that on my apples of my cheek. For the lips, I'm using the Miss Claire liquid lipstick and applying that all over my lips. And to kind of tone down this pink, I will be using the Huda Beauty Trendsetter shade liquid lipstick, and I will apply that on top of the Miss Claire liquid lipstick that I applied. This kind of gives me the in-between shade, like not too dark and not too light, but kind of a perfect nude. Using my MAC Fix Plus, I'm going to set my makeup in place and spritzing this all over my face. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look, and I hope you also recreate this look for Eid. A very happy Eid Mubarak to you all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.